Okay, let's take a look at clothing. What I can do is, well, what I need to do is I need to duplicate this skin retouch because I want to save what I did there. There are two ways to do that. I can drag this down to the copy icon, or throw that out. I can hit Command, while this one's highlighted, I hit Command J or Control J. And I'm going to call this Clothing Retouch. So what I'm looking for is stray threads and anomalies in the clothing. There's a seam line that's actually I could do a lot with the hair. Little things like this. See this little kind of lint in the clothing? I think there's a better example. You take care of that, but there's a better example down here. There we go. Here's a better example of what's going on. Lint. Make this a little bit bigger. Now if I just started painting on this, the last source that I did the option click to was up on the face. So if I start painting on this, it's going to lighten up like skin. So I don't like that. So I'll click Command Z. Find a good source, option click on the garment and just paint over. Option click. Option click. I'm just hitting option click a lot, really near the thing I want to fix so that the color and tone are the same. Let's turn this off, see what we did. Here's before, here's now. You can do the same thing on the floor. Option click to select some blue area next to this and just paint over it. Select the hand tool, move down. I can get rid of all of that with this clone brush. This I can make big. Option click to get our source. And if you go too far, you start making new stuff. So Command Z to back out of that. See the hairs here? Let's zoom into that. Let's see. I'm going to follow this contour, so I will option click here and then click on this. See, it's a little too exacting. It's also, let me see, let me right click. It's a pen pressure, so it depends size off. If you're using a mouse, turn the pen pressure off. Okay, switch over to this move tool just so I can scroll around. I'm going to look at the background a lot just to see if there's anything I've got to get rid of. Okay, these stray hairs are fine. If I were doing real beauty retouching, I would go in and get all of these little hairs. Right now I'm not worried about it. Probably let's take care of these real obvious ones. Make the brush a little smaller. Option click here. The tricky part with hair is that start getting rid of things and then you have these little crosshairs like this, so you have to go in really close. to get rid of these tufts coming out of the top of her head. Okay, now I'm not really going to see it in the video, but well, you can see the piece of tape at the bottom of her jacket appear and disappear, appear and disappear. Okay, that is garment and hair retouching. You could spend hours on this.